JS is a weird language, and it has so many secrets and advanced tips. In this playlist, we are going to deep dive into every single one of them one by one. Let's see. After explaining innumerable properties in the previous video, if you didn't watch it, you can watch it in my playlist. In this video, we are going to talk about iterable properties. Let me give you an example. I will define an array in here. This is my array and it has 4 items in it, and I can loop through my array with for of function. Now I run my project, and as you can see, okay, I made a mistake. Okay, when I run my project, you will see 10, 20, 30 and 40 in here. Now let me define a object for you. Okay, I will define a object and I will call for of on that object, and I will run my project. As you can see, we have an error in here which says object is not iterable. Iterable properties are the properties that JavaScript can understand, that can loop through them. For example, this is the first item, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. But in a object, A can be, for example, in here. This is not iteratable. Yes, we can make the object iteratable, but we need extra functionality to add to our object to make it iterable. For making the object iterable, we need the object to have a property called symbol.iterator. I will copy and paste this code in here to make this object iterable, and as you can see, this symbol.iterator can make a object loopable through for of function. In the function, we extract the keys and we define a index, and for that each time it returns it need to return a next function which is called something like generators in JavaScript functions, and each time it's called through each iteration it would return the key, and when it's done it would return done true. Okay, now we can run the code again and we can see this is for our array and this is for our object. Let me make it a little more obvious. Okay, value is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now our object is iterable. If you want to know what is the difference between for of and for in, please check my for of versus for in video in my playlist.